Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to make the rainbow rosette cake. To start, fill and base ice your cake with vanilla buttercream. You may use white or chocolate cake for this design. The next step is to add the white drizzle. Start by piping a ring around the top of the cake. Next, drizzle down the sides. I'm using white and glossy that has been thinned down with glaze and shine. You may need to heat this mixture for 10 to 20 seconds in the microwave to get a good drizzling consistency. The cake is finished off with 6 rosettes using the 1M tip in each color of the rainbow. I'll be using red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now the rainbow rosette cake is complete. Thanks for watching.